Welcome to Arts and Crafty Central's second year of 12 Days of Craftsmas. I will be releasing 12 different craft videos leading up to Christmas. These crafts are either perfect for holiday gifts or make great holiday decorations. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these 12 wintertime crafts. Whenever I work with clay, I like to put down a piece of parchment paper so that I have a smooth and disposable surface. Then I got to work sculpting a rounded pyramid shape to be the main shape of the gnome. Next, I attached a nose by scratching up the nose and the body where I wanted to attach it. Then I put a little water on it and stuck it on. This is called a score and slip method. To make the edge of the hat, I rolled out some clay, and then I smoothed it onto the nose. I wanted to make the hat taller, so I added on some more clay. At the top, I sort of twisted and bent the clay to make the hat look like it had fallen over some. After doing some smoothing with water, I got out a toothpick to make the texture of the beard. I just scratched a lot of little lines to make it look like hair. For an extra detail, I used a toothpick to make little patches on the hat. I made some squares, some triangles, and some semicircles. Before I left it to dry, I sprayed it with a spray bottle on mist, just to smooth everything over one more time and get rid of fingerprints. I made a total of 3 of these gnomes and then got to painting. I painted one of the hats a muted blue and the other a muted pink. I painted the last hat a dark mauve. I painted all the patches the two colors that aren't the hat color. After that, I painted the noses. Next, I painted the beards. Lastly, I painted a coat of clear Liquitex varnish all over all of the gnomes to seal in the paint. Here are the finished clay gnomes. I think that they can be great for any time in the winter, not just Christmas, and they look really cute all together. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next day of Craftsmas.